Welcome to the English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, October 28th, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm good, thanks. Just a little tired. Yesterday's meeting was long. How about you?
I'm fine. Ready for another busy day. This coffee smells great. It always wakes me up.
Yeah, need that too. Black for me today. No sugar. Did you catch any news this week? There's so much going on.
Oh, yes. I saw something big on the economy from the Wall Street Journal. They talk about the Federal Reserve. It might cut interest rates soon.
The Federal Reserve? That's the central bank, right? Cutting rates means money gets cheaper to borrow.
Exactly. It's controversial. Some say it helps the economy grow, but others think it makes inflation worse. Prices go up more.
Inflation is already high. I read that too. In the New York Times. They say the Fed cut rates by a quarter point last month. Now they plan fewer cuts in 2025?
Yeah, only 2 more maybe. For sales, it's good. Lower rates mean companies borrow easy, they buy more. My targets get easier.
I see. But for projects, it's tricky. We plan budgets. If rates drop, costs change. Suppliers raise prices fast.
True. Remember last year, rates high, loans hard. Now this, what do you think the Fed wants?
They want balance. Jobs stay strong, but prices don't jump too much. It's hard. Jerome Powell said it's challenging.
Powell the chair, yeah, he talks calm, but markets react big. Stocks go up and down.
Markets affect us. Our company's stock. It dips sometimes, makes everyone nervous in meetings.
Nervous? Yeah. But coffee helps forget. Hey, pass the milk. Thanks, this news hits home.
It does impacts families too. Mortgage is cheaper maybe, but groceries cost more.
Groceries, my wife complains. Eggs up again, all from inflation fears.
Right, society feels it. People talk less spending, more saving.
Saving? In sales, we push spending. Funny how news changes talks.
It does. Anyway, another story caught my eye. Tech news from the New York Times.
Tech, always something. What's up?
AI regulation in the EU. They want strict rules. Companies must explain AI decisions. For privacy.
AI rules? Oh, that. Controversial big time. Tech giants like it not, says it slows new ideas.
Yes, but privacy groups cheer. No more black box AI, people know how it works.
Black box? Like magic? In sales, we use AI for customer lists. If rules tight, tools cost more.
Cost more? As project manager, I agree. Compliance teams grow, more meetings on data safety.
Meetings, we have enough, but hacks happen. Remember that big one last year?
I do, scary lost data. New rules prevent that. EU leads, US follows maybe.
US, our office in Europe, they worry now. Emails fly.
Emails about rules, yes, impacts global teams. We adapt fast.
Adapt? Sales adapts quick, but developers groan, code changes.
Developers, yes, they like freedom, but safety first. What if AI biases?
Biases like unfair picks, bad for business. Rules fix that.
They do. Society needs trust in tech, not just fast growth.
Trust, good word. Coffee's cooling, one more sip.
Sip away. This leads to fun news, entertainment from USA Today.
Entertainment. Better than work news, tell me.
Streaming services hike prices. Up to $5 a month for Netflix and others.
Price hikes? No way. I subscribe. Why now?
Content costs rise, more shows, stars paid big. Subscribers upset.
Upset? Me too. After a long day, I relax with shows. Now extra cost.
Extra cost hurts, like cable days. People cancel maybe.
Cancel? Some do. Switch to free stuff. YouTube clips.
Clips, yes, but quality drops. Society shifts. Less binge watching.
Binge? My weekend thing? Now think twice. Budget tight.
Budget tight from economy too. All connects NewsWeb.
Web of news funny? Impacts culture? More books? Nah.
Books maybe, or talks like this. Share stories.
Stories from shows. Without them, boring evenings.
Evenings matter, recharge for work. Prices test us.
Test? Yeah. Complain online. Petitions start.
Petitions, fans fight back. Services listen sometimes.
Listen? Hope so. My favorite series ends soon. Can't miss.
Miss not, pause and see. Anyway, deep chat today?
Deep for coffee break. Usually weather talk.
Weather boring, new spices it. Your sales call soon?
In 15 minutes. Prep time. Thanks for chat. Brightens morning.
Brightens mine. See you later. Good luck on call.
Thanks. You too on project. Have a great day.
You too, bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.